reliable wireless network connectivity, and a smart marketing engine in one powerful tool designed for small businesses. Pro Wi-Fi makes it easy to give your customers the high-quality, secure Wi-Fi they want while delivering the marketing insights your business needs. The Pro Wi-Fi Customer Portal allows you to customize your login screen. Simply select a template, upload your own logo, and choose your theme. When customers log in for Wi-Fi access, they're greeted with an interface that's unique to your business and a targeted campaign informed by your smart marketing engine. The Pro Wi-Fi marketing engine provides important data about your customer base with incredible marketing insights you can't find anywhere else. The intuitive dashboard displays highlights of your customers' Wi-Fi sessions at a glance. You can see total visitors and sessions by time period and demographics from gender to age group. Or learn even more about your visitors by creating a quick survey. All the contact information collected at the point of registration is maintained in an online database, giving you access to a qualified list complete with analytics to inform promotional campaigns and guest notifications. Complete CRM data and analytics are made available through the campaign reports and accessible to your business at any time. Secure private and guest network isolation, combined with optional URL filtering, ensures safe and appropriate communications for peace of mind. Plus, you get 24/7, 365 network management with around-the-clock tech support whenever you need it, so you can focus on your business. Pro Wi-Fi is the reliable, secure, and intelligent solution that makes always-on Wi-Fi easy and affordable. To learn more, call us today.